am making a tangram from the square piece of paper. I will show you how to make it. I will separate all these shapes now. So I have colored all the shapes now. And now I'm going to join these shapes and make a square. Like this. So now using these shapes, I'm going to make some. This is a house and this is the roof of the house and this is a chimney. So friends, made a snake. A triangle one. So funny. You can create as many things as you want from the Tangram. It has 5 triangles and one tilted square and 1 square. So you can also make your own shape. I have already taught you how to make the Tangram. So you will also make it at your home. And just like, share and subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye friends.